Why do so many women wear revealing outfits but still cover up with their hands? It's simple. They're scared the broke ones might see, but they're worried the rich ones might not notice. When someone asks you what you do for a living, they're not really interested in your job. They're just trying to figure out how much respect they should show you. And when they ask where you live, they're not curious about your neighborhood. They're trying to size up your bank account, see if you're rolling in cash or just getting by. When you're at a meal with more than 3 people, keep your private business to yourself. And if there's 5 or more at the table, don't even think about bringing up business. It's not the time or place. Never share all your past with a close friend. Why? Because even your closest friends got other friends, and your business could end up spreading faster than you think. When you ask someone for a favor, you better come correct with a gift in hand. They might not take it, but you can't afford to skip that gesture. It shows respect. And here's a fact that's hard to swallow. If a woman's got no money, 99% of men will find a way to take care of her. But if a man's broke, 99